You should never live according to others. They will always judge you no matter what. If you are rich, they say he must be thief. If you are simple, they say he is pathetic and unfortunate. If you go out and enjoy your life, they say he is vagrant. If you stay at home, they say he is desperate and unhappy. If you are a little bit naughty and social, they say he is rude. If you are quiet, they say he is arrogant. If you are a little bit in shape, they say he is showing up. So just ignore them what they wish to say. Live your life what you wish, not them. The least you give a damn, the happier you will be. The least you care, the more happy you will be. By the way, don't be embarrassed by who you are. They are going to judge you no matter what you do.